How to order multi-aperture frames. Click the multi-aperture frames link along the top banner to start designing. Select the desired number of openings across and down for your mount. You can then enter the size for each individual opening and select whether the opening should be oval or rectangle. Click the red Update button to action any changes that you have made. Once you are happy with the layout, you can proceed to the Mounts tab where you are able to select the mount color and border widths. You can also opt to have a double mount. The border width can also be changed from the default 40mm, as can the width of the bottom mount if selected. The width of the gap between each opening can also be amended. You can opt to have the openings cut to the exact size specified as opposed to our default 2mm overlap on each side. The frame can be selected from the Frames tab. Check out the 360 degrees visualization of the frames for the best view. You will find frames are categorized based on color for easy selection. From the Glazing tab, you can select your preferred glazing option. You can get full details of the glazing type by clicking the information icon. The Extras tab includes some optional extras to help create a professionally framed picture. The Review tab includes all of your design details. Be sure to check all the sizes and selections are correct before adding the items to your basket. Thank you for ordering with EasyFrame.